Right, got a little job going on here for the Roman curry viewership. We're going to try splitting a tile. Got a tile here, bit of tile. I'm trying to make some splashbacks, and it's a bit too thick. So we're going to try and split it down. Nothing flashy for the job, just a common garden chisel and an old rubber mallet. Let's get started. Right. What we're trying to do is find the centre line. Just give it a bit of a tap. This is all about getting started. So we get on the corner. Oh, there she goes. There she goes. I'll give you the old close up. What's going on here? Look at that. Just got to work it along now. Gently work it along. Perfect split. There we go. Got two pieces, half width each. Here you go, both laid on the counter. I think I've got that pretty much halfway, that split. That's virtually identical in height. I'm pretty happy with that.